Hi guys, welcome back to a new video of DJ Allen. Today we're gonna review a wireless microphone for your Android or iPhone devices. And now let's get to it. So here it is guys, as you can see, this is the K9 wireless microphone. But as you can clearly see, I, I got the iPhone version because I have an iPhone device. And now let's get to it. So guys, as you know, I unboxed it earlier because I'm making the unboxing video of this wireless microphone from Shopee, Lazada, Timo, whatsoever. So here, so let's go with the item guys. So here it is guys, no, the iPhone vlogging microphone or wireless microphone. Yes, right now I'm using it. This is a dual microphone. When you're doing a interview vlog with someone and you want to hear your interviewing person and also your voice will be heard, that's why I chose the dual version microphone. There's a single microphone version this, but I choose the dual mic for something like that purposes. Yes, it has as you can clearly see here from this picture, it has a audio receiver that you will connect to your iOS or Android device. You can clearly see here mine, the dual microphone version. So what do you think guys? Is this a good microphone or not? Let me know on comments below what do you think on the K9 wireless microphone for your Android or for your iPhone devices. So guys, I am recording this video with a standard setup. What I mean is using the inbuilt camera microphone or the cell phone's microphone for recording this video, so we can different out the audio quality from the cell phone video or the iPhone microphone and with the wireless microphone. And now I am recording a video using this wireless microphone. This is my first time using it. I don't know if it is good audio quality or not. Maybe after this recording or in the playback, I can know how the audio quality of this wireless microphone. Okay guys, DJ Allen signing out. Peace.